Jean Beliveau
is a Canadian man. He walked around the world. His trip took 11 years. He walked 75,500 kilometers. He walked much longer than other people who walked around the world before him. He left Montreal on August 18, 2000. He carried all his things in a stroller. He walked along the east coast of the United States. There are many things to see there, like the Statue of Liberty and Washington, D.C. After the U.S., he walked through Mexico. Aztec and Maya people lived in Mexico before Europeans came. They lived in cities and built pyramids. Some pyramids are still there today. Mr. Beliveau learned to speak Spanish because most people in South America speak Spanish. But in Brazil, people speak Portuguese. After 1 year of walking, he arrived in San Jose, the capital of Costa Rica. Then he walked across the Panama Canal. The canal connects the Atlantic Ocean to the Pacific Ocean. Before the canal, ships had to go around South America. That trip was longer and more dangerous. Next, he walked through Ecuador and Peru. Ecuador is on the equator, the middle of the earth. Peru is a very interesting country. The Inca people lived there before Europeans came. They lived in cities and were good at building and studying the stars. If you go to Peru, you must visit Machu Picchu, an old Inca city. After 2 years, Mr. Beliveau arrived in Iquique, a city in Chile. He walked through the Atacama Desert, the driest desert in the world. It almost never rains there. But there is snow on the high mountains. When the snow melts, it gives water to animals like flamingos and llamas. Chile is a long country. It goes from the warm north to the cold south near Antarctica. Mr. Beliveau did not go to Antarctica. He stopped in Santiago, the capital of Chile, and then went to Argentina. He walked across the Andes Mountains, near Aconcagua, the highest mountain in South America. It is 6,961 meters tall. Argentina is where the tango dance started. Many people still dance tango today. From Argentina, he walked through small countries to reach Brazil. Brazil is a very big country. People speak Portuguese there. The Amazon River, the biggest river in the world, flows through Brazil. Many people visit Brazil in February to see the carnival. They wear colorful clothes and dance the samba. Mr. Beliveau left South America from Sao Paulo, the biggest city in Brazil. He flew to Africa and continued walking there.